What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we are going down the art therapy session and we are going to be doing a very nice Celtic look. Going to be doing this Celtic band. We are drawing this in our art therapy session today. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll intro. Hey everybody, hope everyone is all good. Had a good weekend and had a good week as well. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading art therapy videos on a Wednesday and how-to videos on a Tuesday. A lot of the how-to videos are going to be how to draw to photorealism, and a lot of creative stuff on these how-to videos as well. But also as well, we're going to be going down the art therapy session. So we're going to be doing quite a few Zentangle patterns in these videos now. We're going back down the Zentangle route because I know a lot of people are looking to do these art therapy drawings. Very good to help with calming yourself down, helping you to relax, and hand-eye coordination. There is a book that I've also created called It's Not Just Motivational on Mondays. This is a mood tracker diary. You can find it on the Amazon store. You can also find it in the link to my website just below. Not only that book, but I have other books as well. I have sketchbooks, notebooks and journals for kids, also colouring books for adults and children, and also a how to draw a mandala book. With this book, you can follow along to any of my mandala drawings that I upload on a Wednesday. And I've now also created a playlist, especially for if you have purchased that book. You can follow along using that book to any of the drawings because I'm drawing from the book that I have purchased myself as well. So that is also in a link in the description below. You can follow along to those. Pick up the book also from the Amazon store and from the link on my website. So not only that, but I also upload designs onto my Redbubble store as well. It's going absolutely brilliant. I upload all sorts of products. I upload all sorts of designs, ranging from all sorts of professions, from nursing to people that like to play golf. I do a lot of mum designs as well, dad designs, baby designs. They all come on, and a lot of patterns as well. They are all featured on phone covers, masks, t-shirts, shower curtains, pillows, duvets, loads of things there, and obviously t-shirts as well. T-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve t-shirts, all that sort of stuff. You can find even on greeting cards as well. I do a lot of sort of greeting cards on there. Have a little look. The link to the shop is in the description below. You'll find all sorts of products on there. Any type of celebration or any type of occasion, or if you just want to give something to somebody like your best friend, you know, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, anything like that. Any of those sort of presents. They've got birthdays coming up, any other occasions. I have all those products. I have all those designs and products on my store. So today, yes, we are going to be doing a Celtic design. We are this one right over here. It looks very complicated, but it's very easy to do. All you're going to be needing is a pen. If you are using, you can follow along using the, if you have the, It's Not Just Motivational on Mondays book, because I have a special Zentangle section in that book as well. So you can follow along, drawing this Zentangle pattern as well. Very simple to do. All you're going to need is a pen and a pencil. So what we are waiting for? Let's roll the intro. So what we are waiting for? Let's roll the video. how was that for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. So in another part of this section now, we are going to be doing a quote of the week, and we're giving you a nice little quote to take on board, think about during the week, and for you to progress on, and for you to also develop your own motivation using any of the using the art therapy sessions that I sort of produce, and the drawings and the videos that I make, but also as well with the motivational quotes that I also say as well and upload. It's great to have. It's a great start to the day. It is for to read something positive, something that's motivational. It's going to set you up for the day. It is, you know, I do this every day. I either watch something I either watch a motivational video, or I read something positive. I have many podcasts that I listen to when I'm going into work and things like that. Great things to listen to. There's numerous amount of motivational videos on YouTube. And today's quote is, never give up because great things are coming. That is right. Never give up on whatever you're doing because great things are heading their way to you. And the meaning of that quote, trust yourself and have faith in what you hope to achieve and do. Believe in the process, have patience, and what you want will come to you. Trust in yourself and have faith and believe in the process that it will come to you. Whatever you are manifesting, whatever you are thinking about, whatever you're drawing to yourself, have faith in it and it will come to you. Like I said in the quote, never give up because great things are coming to you. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo, this is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.